Is there any question that you all have? Yeah, Daniel?
6 wave. It only happen to learn one wave. Which wave to learn?
Oh, which way though?
Look at me, C wave.
Learn the mind way.
Oh, where are you conducting the course?
Mind way is the wheel.
The wave.
Wheels, okay lah. Once you master the wheels, you are able to trade the market well, wheels, okay? Okay, you can take it down, okay? So in other words, the wheels will start when the market hits the pivot low, okay lah. Okay? This is what I call the swing one, okay lah. So what is the significance of swing one? Okay, pivot low, right? Okay. How do you know that this is a pivot low? Anyone? I already told you guys already, right? How do you know a pivot low? Right? Some of the traders here. What is the trade opportunity? Or what is the signal bar here? What is the signal bar?
Long tube.
Signal bar. You need a signal bar, right? What is the signal bar here?
Long tube.
Long bar. Yeah. Okay, long bar is a trigger for signal bar. You know, that tells you the market hits the bottom. Okay? What's the odds? 70% follow through, right?
Yeah.
Isn't it? You know, when you spot a long bar, 70% follow through. You know, it's only 3% is against you.
30.
That's all, 30%, right? So, what is the probability? In my favor, right? So, I enter long. Okay? Put my stop loss here. Yes or no? Okay? Fantastic, right? Swing one, okay? How do you know that this is the throwback? Anyone? How do you know it's a throwback? Does this term throwback mean something to you guys? Higher low. Or this is the first time you hear this term throwback? How many actually take a professional technical analysis program? Show of hand. What is the difference between a throwback and a pullback? Simple, right? Very simple question, no? Okay? What is the difference between this?
One is from
Use AI, okay now? Just go AI. I don't need to use AI, I tell you lah, the difference. Okay lah? But you guys can, okay? Right. You can get the answer, right? Okay. Okay, so that is a throwback. So this is a throwback, okay? That is a throwback, okay? How do I know that the whales will continue? Anyone? Hey, this one could have 3 bar, 4 bar, 5 bar. How do I know? Okay, that I enter the 3rd bar, the 4th bar, the 5th bar. It's a bit technical, right? Yes or no?
Almost pullback. Almost
You can use Fibon, cannot. Or you can use the 50%. Okay, no?
Gang.
Didn't I tell you that the most famous
It's gang.
information that WD can tell has a 4A, right?
Yeah.
So that's a 4A. Okay, no?
50%.
Yeah. Okay, never mind. Right, okay. So the way to understand this is to use all these tools at a disposal. That's what I'm saying. Okay, lah. But I'm a price action trader. Okay, lah. So I look at individual bars to give me signal to trade. How wonderful, right? I don't need to depend on RSI, stochastic, MACD, Bollinger Bands, RVI, CCI, and all that. Okay, lah. I mean, I used to teach all that, okay, now, for sophisticated technical traders. Okay, I tell them how to use all that oscillators. Okay. But as a price action trader, I just focus on the price, which means to say that if I look, okay, now, for a long bar here, right? Okay, that is the entry. Okay. Yes or no? So what is a wave? The wave is just like that. Okay, now. Just go up. Okay, now. You learn this, you master this, you are a good trader. Believe me. Right, okay, so to answer your question, Daniel, you master waves, you are a good trader. Because you can trade waves in any market, any time frame, okay, any situation. Believe me, okay, if tomorrow go and look at the charts, you can spot all the waves, huh? Right, okay now. So, okay, ladies and gentlemen, take a screenshot. Oh, that's it. Okay? Taking that your investment here tonight is worth it because you understand.
This is a very important bar.
Yes.
The 50% means if it drops and hits the 50% and rebounces, or it goes past the 50%.
Good question. Huh? I suppose you are a good trader. You know that this thing can hit cost. Okay? Let's see. Hit like that. Once it hit like that, the pattern goes haywire. Okay, that's it. Right, okay? You go haywire. Haywire basically means it's not wheels anymore. It's no more, yeah, it's no more wheels. Okay, now. So most of the time, what happens is it goes like that, it goes like that, it goes like that. Okay, now. So I'm going up. Okay? Right, yeah. I just say go haywire. That's it. Okay, now. Once you hit that, not reliable, you try to trade, you lose money. So don't try to trade. We call it discounted territory. That's it. Okay?
But the thing is, Dr. Fu, every trader that if they know all these things, the institutional players, they would play the retailers, right? They will purposely hover around the 50% and then fake a long bar, or looks like a long bar, and then suddenly cool down again, right? I mean,
Remember I said one of the basic tenet of trading is prepare for losses, right?
yeah.
You want to be 100% winner, right? Not possible. What? Always expect losses. Losses is permanent part of the game. Okay, now.
Okay.
Yes, the guy can trick me once, trick me twice, but not forever. Respect the 50%. You're a good trader. Okay, now. The trouble is this: most people don't respect the 50%. Okay, now. Okay. Why they don't respect 50%? Even this goes 67.8 FIBO level, they still think it's a whale. No more. It's no more whales. Okay, now. To me, it is erratic. You cannot trade already because the wheels. I trade the wheels because I know how to trade. Okay, if I know that this is a wheel, I know how to trade. I have a plan to trade the wheels, and that's how I trade the wheel. Okay? So back to this question of why you need to have a plan. You need a plan because if you know this way, you know how to trade. Okay, you know how to enter, put your stop loss, where you take your profit. Isn't it? That's all trading about. Enter here, put my stop loss here, my profit is there. Okay, that's it. Make trading as simple as possible, okay? Don't complicate trading. That's my message. The problem is most people complicate trading. They make trading so hard, so difficult. As a result, they can't trade. To me, trading must be as simple as possible. Because our mind cannot handle complex tasks. Okay, okay, so make it as simple. This is my plan. Okay, long bar, I enter, put my stop loss. Over here, I take profit, close for the day. Right? That's it. That's trading is all about. Okay, very routine, very down, no problem. Okay, no? That's trading, okay. Don't make trading so complicated. This one I must look at RSI, see whether is it overbought or oversold, right? I look at MACD, whether is it overbought, oversold. Bollinger Band, whether it hits the 20 level. Is it one standard deviation? Forget about all that. Okay? Just look at price. Okay, what does price tells you? Aggressive bulls, right? I got to buy. Aggressive bears, I got to sell. That's it. Okay?
So, Dr. Fu, you're saying that the whale is only valid if it stays above the 50% retracement.
Probability, yes.
Anything it goes below, it violates.
Haywire,
Okay.
right? Okay, now.
Thank
Okay?
you.
Yeah. You guys asking questions way ahead of what I'm going to talk. Isn't it?
Maybe a good summary. This one is good summary.
If it's not a summary, this is
No,
real.
yeah.
My friend, my good friend.
He's a-
You master this, you're a damn good trader, okay now? Believe me. Okay? Okay, so I hope Daniel answered your question.
This is
So out of the 6,
The whale is the best.
learn this one first, right? Okay. Because this one incorporate Elliott wave, incorporate Fibonacci, incorporate Goodman, incorporate every damn thing. Okay. So for me, I try to make simple as possible so that people can trade well. End of the day, you got to be able to trade well. That's it. The bottom line is you got to trade well. And trade well doesn't mean you got a plan, you know how to trade. Yeah. Okay. So let's talk about swing price pattern. That's my favorite. Okay. Okay. Normal swing behavior. Okay. That is a normal swing behavior. Okay. When I say normal swing, I mean minus of, okay, all the Donald Trump tweets lah. Okay lah. His 2 o'clock in the morning lah. Okay lah. Phone call all that. Okay. These are not normal. Okay lah. Normal means there's no abnormal with economic events. Okay, no surprises. Okay. So normal basically means, okay, you got a series of swings. That's it. Okay? Pay attention to this valley here, right? Okay. So you see the first swing. Okay, mark the valley here, right? Project it into the future. Okay? Because this is going to help you to follow the swing, right? Okay, so this says, okay, support become resistance. One of the most powerful swing patterns. Okay, okay? Who trade this pattern? You say, okay. So you see this pattern, you know how to trade. Your rules is very specific, very clear. Okay? Yeah. So swing trading is nothing more than very basic strategy. Understanding price pattern, understanding behavior of the market, understand the swing, and how the swing will work out. Okay? Then this is an upswing. Upswing again, this become a resistance, become a support. Okay? So when you spot this swing, you really know how to trade, right? That's all. Period. Trading is about, remember I said, are you knowing what you're doing? Right? You see this, you know how to trade, you know what you're doing. What is the bottom line? It translates to profitability. Okay, that's it. Okay, next one. Most of the time you don't have that clear upswing, downswing. So what you get here? Congested. Okay, so you can see this congested. Okay, congested is bound by the support zone and the resistance zone. You can still trade if you want, but you're going to trade range bound. Okay, no? Okay, you know, at support you buy. Okay, resistance zone you sell. That's your rule, right? Isn't it? Now you understand zones. Okay. If you look at, you know, the trading literature, right? You know what they call order flow, right? Have you heard the word order flow? Basically it means this. Order flow basically means at the support, all the institutional put orders to buy. Okay? At the resistance, institutional put order to sell. That's order flow. Okay? So next time you see the word order flow, basically you make this support you buy, or you don't like the word support, demand zone you buy, supply zone you sell. That's it. You are trading a congested market. And they call it order flow. Okay? So a typical congestion trading rule, you buy at support, you sell at resistance. Okay? That's how you trade the swing. Okay now? It's different from here. Okay now? Okay? You can see it's different over here. Okay? Yeah. Here you buy at the swing. Okay now? Here, there you buy at the support. See the difference?
Yep.
Who cannot see a difference, raise your hand. That's what I mean. Okay, okay? Swing bound, okay. So swing will always bounce, okay? Right. You know, you hit the support, it will bounce. Hit the resistance, it reverse. Okay? So the question here is, you got to know where is the support zone, where's the demand zone, or the resistance zone, the supply zone. Okay? Right. And in my class, I teach them the exact way to define the zone. There are rules to define zones. Okay? So you can learn how to draw the zones on the charts.
Yep.
Or if your broker got this fantastic AI who draw the zone, then that broker is good. Okay, no? Right, okay? But so far I've not found any broker who are able to give me an AI tools that define the zone according to my specification. Okay? So if you find anyone, just let me know, okay? Okay.
Trading view.
Don't have. Trading will tell you all sorts of things.
I
Okay?
mean, okay, you have to add on to the different people's that define
Not reliable, my friend.
Yeah.
Right, okay, yeah. Okay? Very good example, okay now, trading view. Aggressive bulls. You switch on the thing, aggressive bulls, right? They give you, out of 10, they give you 20, you know. So you pick which one? Right?
You use your ATR to define the.
ATL not accurate, my friend.
Okay.
My aggressive bull is not ATL. Okay lah. I tell you, 10 years ago there was one very experienced programmer. Hey, Dr. Fu, I can define a software for you to define long bar. I said, good, give you the specs. I give him the specs. I wrote the specs, everything. What is the measurement of long bar? I give him the specs.
Yeah.
Because I know programmer don't understand, trader language. I wrote technical specs. Give the guy the program. I say he spec for me. Okay? The guy spent 3 weeks, 6 weeks, 9 weeks, 12 weeks, 24 weeks. I say, hey, why take so long? Very complex. Finally, he did the software using ATL. I say, if you tell me ATL, I say, don't waste time, okay? So to answer your question, yeah. Okay? To write a real specs, okay, to pinpoint a long bar, not easy, my friend. ATL is the last thing in the world that I would use. ATL is not accurate to define a long bar or bullish candle. Okay. That's it. Right, I've gone through that, okay. So today I'm still waiting for any programmer to come and tell me how to. The nearest one is my good friend Chiu there lah. He's a techie, right? So he's helping me, okay. So to cut the whole story short, not easy, okay.
Yeah.
Price pattern is the worst thing in the world, okay. The software can help you. Because they use indicator, they use oscillator, not my cup of tea, okay. Trading naked, no indicator, no oscillators. Pure price action.
What's the definition of a long bar?
It's a long bar.
But you said your parameters and all that.
You got to attend a class.
Yeah, to attend a
because
Yes.
because you take me like 3 hours. Okay.
Okay, no, that's why I asked you
seriously, I
when
mean,
you- when you.
seriously, you
Yeah.
3 hours. I need 3 hours. Okay. Anyway, right. So it's not ATR, it's not those funny indicator oscillators. Okay.
So the
Pure price.
programmer never finish his
Never,
job.
never.
Yeah.
So far, I've been waiting, right? Okay, now, you can help me, right, my friend? Your NCS got good programmer. Okay. Never mind.
Try
Okay,
ChatGPT.
okay.
No, that's the last thing in the world.
So I'll take up the challenge where
I
attend
tell
to-
you, between ChatGPT, I use DeepSeek is better. I use DeepSeek, right? Okay.
DeepSeek.
Anyway, that's for another day. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So okay, right. So let's focus on swing trading, right? Because wow, it's 9:30. I'm still haven't finished. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. So swing momentum, upswing or downswing has a high probability of continuation and reversal. That is because of Chow's, Dow theory, right? Okay. Number one premise of Chow's is that a continuation has more probability of continuing. Uptrend has more probability it continue, right? That is Dow theory, okay? Which all of you learned during PA 101. Okay. And it's true, the rule is don't fight the trend. Don't ever fight the trend, okay? And I know most of the bad trades of traders is they go against the trend. Okay? It's like you're trying to swim in the upstream, okay? Okay? Just imagine how hard to swim the upstream, okay? Where you're hitting the current. Okay? That is fundamental rules of trading. Don't fight the trend. Follow the trend. Follow the trend until it bends. Yeah. Okay. That is a beautiful upswing. Okay now. Okay. Beautiful, right? Okay now. So if ever you get this sort of swing, okay, it's no brainer. It's very easy to trade. No stress, no headache, right? Okay now. Just follow the trend. Right, okay? So the question you got to ask is, you only get this type of situation 30% of the time. 30% of the time you got a beautiful swing, either upswing or downswing. Okay, now 30%. So what do you do with 70% of the time? The market is sideways.
shake leg lor.
Okay.
Slowly wait.
No,
So
shake leg
swing
lor.
trader always tell me, hey, what I'm going to do with 70% of the time?
Wait.
Enjoy your leisure, my friend.
Yeah lor.
Okay, like
Yoga.
Angie said, right? Okay, go weightlifting, right?
Yeah, I go weightlifting. Yeah. Yeah, I go for weightlifting.
Go to the gym, right? Okay, enjoy yourself. Okay,
Yeah.
or go
Although
cycling
Tai Chi.
Yes.
Although Tai Chi also. 姐
Just remember, trend trader only 30% of the time they got chance to trade the trend. Real trend, okay? No? This is a real trend, okay? Okay, impulse, impulse increase momentum. Okay, no? Okay? And how do you know whether the price movement is impulsive? Anybody? Long bar, yeah, right. So every time you see a long bar, it's impulse, aggressive bull, right? Okay. That's it. Just follow the fundamental rules. That's it. Why make trading so difficult? Right? Impulsive move, long bar. Your normal lots is 2 lots. You put in 10 lots, okay?
Not wait for that.
Okay? Isn't it? When you are right, you extract money from the market. When you are wrong, you lose less. That's it. When market is in your favor, you maximize your winning. Okay? When you see a long bar, it means a momentum is there for you to enter the trade. Okay? Now, having said that, when you look at the market, even long bar you short, okay? You just do the opposite. Why? Why? Psychology, right? Yes or no? Most of the mistake that most people make is not because they don't understand technical. They understand, but because their mind is not very clear. They are, for whatever reason, okay, they got baggage in their mind. They got conniving bias built in and all that, okay? That affects their trading. Anyway, right, okay? So momentum, you can see, okay, it breaks from the box and go all the way down. Okay? This is my favorite strategy, okay, this one over here. Okay? Which is what I call a market open ORB, right? Okay. I got to speed up a bit, okay? If not, then you guys will be very late. Okay. So anyway, I'm going to talk about a typical swing pattern number 1. You just have to master one swing. That's it. Okay. Right, okay. Which is this: impulse, congestion, impulse. Okay. If you can master this, I'm very happy for you guys, because that is the way that a bull market works, or a strong uptrend market works. You know, whatever works on the upside, it works on the downside. Remember, okay now?
Yes.
The downside impulse, we call it rest or pause, continuation. Okay. Right. So that's pattern number 1. Okay? And this pattern very, very, very often, especially in a trending market. The trending market, okay? In fact, the rules of trading is very simple. Okay? You don't make trading complicated. Okay? I just give you a couple of tips, okay now? Okay? Let's say you spot spot a long bar. Okay, let's say tomorrow night you open the market, you spot, wow, long bar. Okay, now. What do you do? Anyone? As a trader, what do you do? What do you do?
Sell everything about it.
Let's say this is a 15 minute. Huh? Let's say this is a 15-minute time frame. You spot a long bar at 15. What do? Wait. She said wait. Of course, there is one option. What will you do?
Enter.
Action lady enter.
Enter, right? Enter where?
This is called trade
Yeah, oh, yeah.
opportunity.
It's there already, was at the top already.
We follow a long trend.
This is what called a normal trader.
Yeah.
You know, an average trader. But a smart trader will do differently. Listen, huh? A smart trader will go to a 5 minute. Okay? Then what you see in the 5 minute,
Look for some pullback. Some feedback.
right?
Yes.
Yes or no? I say a long bar is supposed to be aggressive bull, right? But how come on the 5 minute it's the reverse?
Yeah.
That is how price action works. Okay? Because you're going the lower time frame, you can see the forest from the tree or tree from the forest. Okay? Now if you're able to do that, okay, for the 5 minute, okay, and then you see like that, right? What do? This is up, right? This is up, right? You go straight away here,
Yes.
your long order, put your stop loss here, and then this thing go like that, take profit 1. Okay? Over here, you can see this thing like that, right now. But over here, you already take money from the market already, right? Isn't it fantastic? Yes or no?
Yes.
Hey, this is not normal trading. This is professional trading. Okay? Okay? So when you're here, you take profit 1, you take profit 2, you take profit 3. Okay lah. Over here, this guy just enter, no. Okay lah. When this guy enter here, no. Okay. You see the advantage. So if you can master that, I salute you. Okay lah. Okay. Wow, I've been digesting a lot. Okay, anyway, I'm going to make you guys investment tonight worthwhile. Okay now. So I go
Yes.
into market detail. Okay. So let's look at swing trading pattern number 2, right? Okay. Which is congestion. Okay. Then there's a breakdown or breakout. Okay. Yeah. Now, if the congestion is very narrow, right? Very narrow, the chances of the breakout is very good. Okay now. So look for congestion that is narrow, not broad. Okay? That's a rule of trading. Narrow, you breakout. Okay? Right. So you want to be sure that there's no false breakout. Don't enter the first break. Enter the retest on the second candle or second bar. Okay, or preferably if you want, after the retest, enter after the retest. Okay, this is good trading. Okay, so what I'm giving you are what most professional trader would do. Okay, and it got to be a clear break. Okay, because breakout is highly risky. Okay, right. So what is a clear break? Anybody? What is a clear break? Okay, my question, what's a clear break? Anybody?
What's the clue?
What's a clear break? Because if you are trading breakout, there's always such thing as a fake breakout or a false breakout. Okay? Yes or no? So if you got a narrow congested, okay now. Okay, this is narrow, this is broad. Okay? So this is a preferred way to trade, okay? Right? A clear breakout basically means, right? You got a long bar. It's a clear break, okay? Don't be too happy at break, huh? There's always what called a, a retest, huh? Okay, huh? So as a rule, wait for the retest, okay? A retest could be like that, a retest could be like that. Doesn't matter, okay? After a retest. And after a retest, this is real, okay lah? That's it. So you follow these rules, huh? And you follow these rules, you'll be a good trader, believe me.
After the retest, you must also see another long bar or
Just a red bar.
just a red bar. Don't have to be long.
Okay, yeah. Okay? But if you are kiasu guy, okay lah? Okay? Kiasu guy. That means if you are kiasu guy, you wait lah for this to break lah. Isn't it? Right? You want to be like 99% sure, right? You wait lah for this to break. Okay, then you enter lah. You got kiasu lah. But after a retest is real. Okay? So that's pattern number 2. Okay? Okay, pattern number 3. I give you all these, okay now, okay? So you just have to select one, okay, and perfect on it, okay? Use that one and just bang on it, okay, until you become an expert. Okay? So this is pattern number 3, okay? Right. Which I already said, retest. Okay? Is it? You see here, break, retest, inshallah. This is my favorite impulse congestion pattern. Okay. After a strong run up, you should expect a congestion zone. Okay. That's it. Okay.
So you
And you already make money here. Just forget about it. Okay.
just trading the congestion zone.
Correct. Don't trade the congestion zone, as I'm saying. You make money from the impulse, that's it. Okay? A swing trader knows when not to trade, when to trade, okay? Okay, inverted B, okay lah. Inverted B, okay? Okay, so this typical sideways pattern, okay?
Can show us the inverted B.
Can you show me?
Yeah, okay. Now this is B, this is inverted B, okay?
So this is
Okay? So the market give you inverted B and B most of the time. So you know how to trade inverted, you know how to trade B.
this inverted head and shoulder.
Yeah. This is not really because this side is
Slanted.
higher than this side. Okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah, you want to take a screenshot?
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Alright.
Inverted V means you trade the breakout, is it?
Inverted B, you trade. So this is inverted B, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Remember I said over here,
Retest.
this one is a 2B pattern. You bang on this one, okay, here, right, that's it. Anyway, he's my student, he's a more advanced guy, okay, so I'm telling to do for him. Okay, right. Okay, so this is a very broad, okay, sideways market, okay, right. Again, this you can see, right, okay. So sometimes you don't get congestion zone, but a very broad zone, okay. Okay, this will be my final strategy. I'm going to show you about, swing trading based on price pattern. Okay, as you know, my style of trading is always price pattern. Okay, this one, okay, which I already explained. Okay, right. So you can see that the breakout, there's a zone here. Okay. Always a zone there. Okay? Another type, okay? This is swing 1, swing 2, swing 3, okay? Right. And this one, this is what a double top, okay, looks like. This is a double bottom, which is W shape. This is McDonald, okay? This is W, I don't know. Okay? A washing machine or whatever, okay? Right. Okay? Right. So you see a double top, normally you see this zone there, okay? Yeah. You won't able to get a spot, okay? So treat it as a zone, okay? Right. Then you got this type, okay? Right. So these are very, very common price pattern. Okay, you get when you do a swing trade. Okay?
Will.
So I really explained this. Okay? So you guys, so you just want to, no, because he asked, this guy is smarter, that's why he asked beforehand, okay? He really know what you're going to talk.
Straight to the price.
Daniel, okay? That's it. Yeah. So this is really weird. Swing 1, throw back, and switch 2. Okay? If you can master this, you're a damn good swing trader, okay? Believe me. Right, okay? Because you make money on swing 1, you don't do anything on a throwback, you go on swing 2. In other words, you are damn good in judgment, your position trading, precision trading. Yeah. You focus on swing 1, swing, throw back, you're going to take a rest. Then wait for swing 2. Okay? So your job as a trader is to enter here, exit there, enter here, exit there. That's it. Period. Don't have to do any other silly thing, okay? Right. Okay, that's my favorite wheels pattern strategy. As I say, you master this, you can trade swing, you can trade intraday, you can do scalping, you can do any type of market conditions, okay, with this strategy. That's why I call it whales, because it's so special. Right. Okay, there's a London whales, there's a New York whale. Okay? Okay, if you are a swing trader, pay attention to my recommended time frame. You're a true swing trader, you trade 1 hour or 4 hours. Okay, don't try to trade other hours. Okay, it doesn't do you any good.
Come again? 4 hours.
No, either you trade 1 hour or you trade 4 hours time frame. Okay, if you are true trend traders or true swing traders, and no other funny hours, please. Okay, I mean, I've seen swing traders trading like 8 hours
30 minutes.
or 30 minutes or 15 minutes. That's not the appropriate time. Okay? Try to set your charts, okay, with either a green for bullish, a blue for bullish, red for bearish, or black for bearish. Okay? See, you got to train your eyes to look at the charts, and color is very important. For me, I always use green for bull, red for bear. Okay? Tools, use simple 20 and 200. All my students know I use 20, 200. One is for long-term trend, one is a short-term trend. Okay? Concept. Okay, this is what I call a long bar. Okay, okay? Okay? No problem. Okay? Okay, I show you exactly how this is used. Okay, in the real chart. Okay, wow, all camera is up.
Yeah. All alive, all alive.
Okay, done?
Yes.
No wonder data center storage goes up. Okay, never mind, I'm just joking. Okay, so you can see long bar, right? Yes or no? See there? Technically, it's an igniting bar, signal for entry. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes.
If you can spot a trade opportunity, your job as a trader is to ride on the impulsive swing, which is this here. Isn't it? Right? You forget about this one. Forget about the red throwback. Okay? If I see a red throwback, I already make money. I don't give money back to the market. I go and sleep. Okay, now I wait for the rebounding bar here. Right around here, right? Okay? Didn't I say if you master swing 1 and swing 2, you are a damn good swing trader? This is exactly what I mean, okay? Right? Isn't it fantastic? No? Just learn one strategy, right? And you can trade for a living. How wonderful is that? Yes or no? Wow. It's 10 o'clock. Anyway,
Is it possible to have a question about your chart?
come in.
Can I ask you a question about your chart?
Go ahead, yeah. What do you want?
Swing two. How do you define entry point and exit point?
Okay.
Where you
Entry point is a rebounding bar, which is here. Okay? Right.
The first one. Wait. You are waiting until the form first bar. You are waiting for 4 hours, right?
Yes.
So you're waiting first green bar.
Yes.
And then on the second green bar, you are entering, or you enter on the when the bars cross over SM. What is the green line? The blue line, SMA 20.
Yeah.
So you.
No, you don't need to wait until you cross the 20. Just look for the green bar, okay, to be above the red bar. That's it. That's your job.
So in this case, you will enter on the fourth bar because the first is lower, the second is lower.
Here is 1, 2, 3. This one.
Yeah, here.
Yeah.
So this is entry point.
Correct. Yeah. Correct.
And what is exit point?
Exit point will be,
How do you define exit point?
okay. My rule of trading is very simple. 3 to 5 pushes, I'm out. I take money from the market.
So if it's down.
I don't need to even look at here.
Okay.
You define your rules, right?
Yes.
How much money you want to make in the market? For me, 3 to 5 pushes. That's it.
So 4 to 5.
Yeah, here I enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm out.
Exit.
Exit. Okay?
Yeah.
So you define.
Okay.
You define your exit, right? Okay, no?
Okay. Yeah.
Some people say, no, I want to wait until here, right?
I know. That's why I'm asking.
Some people say, no, I wait until the blanking is below 20. Oh, yeah, that's good, okay. Right? Okay?
Yep.
I think all my students knows how I trade, 3 to 5 pushes. That's it. Doesn't matter. Okay, nah? Doesn't matter. I stick to the rules. Understand? Why? There's such a thing as a demon called fear and greed there. But if you stick to your rule, fear and greed is not a concern. Okay? So I hope I answered your question.
Yep.
Okay, good.
Do you always confirm on the lower time frame before you enter?
I trade on trifecta, okay?
Meaning
Yeah. Okay? Anyway, since you asked, yeah, I trade on trifecta. Okay. Anyway. This is what I said, okay? Right. Okay, when to swing trade, all that, okay? Right. How to swing trade? Follow price. Okay, price is king. Cannot understand price action is key to trading success. Anyway, this whole book is devoted to price action, that's it. Okay, 300 pages on this book. Yes. Just imagine, just to explain a concept like price action, I could have spent 3.5 years, okay, putting down, okay, on a 300 pages book, just to explain price action trading, okay, right? So when people tell you I learned price action trading in 1 hour, 2 hours, huh? Anyway, right? So my message is don't complicate trading, okay? I follow KISS, huh? Keep it simple, Simon, okay? No? Okay?
Kiss.
Some people say keep it superbly simple. It's okay. Right? Huh? So just keep things simple, okay? Right. Of course, people say, wow, simplicity is not sophisticated enough. It doesn't matter, okay? End of the day, what do you want? You want to make money, right, from the market.
Yes.
That's it. Okay, anyway, because of time, okay, I just show you, okay, you can trade in all sort of market, stocks and all that, okay, Nasdaq, okay? I'm running behind time, so I just, okay, right. Okay, if you learn price action, you can trade in any market conditions, okay? In any type of products, any instruments, any time frame, okay? So it's oil, okay? So you can see, you just need 5 rules, okay? Okay, that's it. Okay, so you can see these are 10 rules here. Okay? By the way, this is a trading plan, okay? Okay?
Yes.
I think that's Angie's favorite. Put everything on one chart. I mean, I just, okay? If you can do that, that's all. That's all is required. Okay, don't need to write essays and all that. As long as you understand what do you mean by take profit and okay, all that. Okay? It keeps trading as simple as possible. Okay, that is the motto. Okay. Yeah, I just want to wrap it up by just, explaining my concept of successful trading. At the pinnacle is winning psychology. At the bottom is the foundation. In between you fill up. Okay now? Right. Okay? Always remember, 60% of trading success is based on your psychology. Okay? At the foundations, I suggest you understand Psychology 101, Market 101, Economic Analysis 101, Technical Analysis 101. Okay? Alright.
Dr. Fu, can you go stun?
Go stand, yeah. I go
This one
stand
is
for
the
you.
important one.
Okay? Okay. I'm going to wrap it up by just asking this simple question. Okay. I'm a volunteer here. Okay. I've been volunteering since this academy started. Okay, when the academy started, there was 20 of us. 20 of us, okay? I'm a sole survivor. Meaning, I'm very passionate, okay? I come here to share my knowledge and expertise. Because I know that the community really needs people to tell you honestly what the market is all about, why you're losing and all that, okay? It's just my passion, that's all, okay? In fact, today, I should be trading the US market open, but because I'm here, okay? Now, this is a sacrifice I made, it's okay, right? But end of the day, as I say, you guys are investing your time here. So at least you take back something that is useful for you, okay? Right. So as I said, unfortunately the 19 volunteer quit. For whatever reason, I mean for me I don't care, right? Okay. I have a sincerity to help the academy. I contribute my time and effort. My sole mission is I want you guys to be successful, that's it. If you are successful, I'm very happy for you guys, okay? Because I know the statistic is stacked against you guys, 95%, okay? Right. So if I can help you or Thomas can help you anyway, just let us know, right? Okay, that's it. So you know how to contact us, okay? I'm sorry I ran out of time, okay? I overrun, but I thought it's worth it because I go into much greater detail because I think most of you don't have a strong TA foundation. I try to, explain as much as I can, right, on those concepts, okay? But if you do have any questions, just text Thomas, right, okay? I won't be here full time, okay? I'm just a part time, but I do come here in the evening quite often, right? Okay, because I got my full time job to run, okay? Okay, yeah. So from 9 to 5, I won't be here, right? But Thomas will be here 100%. So do write to him. If you need my help, you let me know, okay? Right. So take note, okay?
And
Okay.
Dr. Fu also run classes. Dr. Fu also run classes for there are a few classes. One is ORB, open range bar. Trade on the market, US market open at 9:30. You only need about half an hour. And this is very easy to follow. You just follow whatever he given to us. Is minimize your risk at a better return. Okay? And the other one is long bar. So long bar is also very good, that which is you will follow what he taught us, the step by step. Just follow. You will also benefit from them. They are also minimize your risk but get a better return. This is a two very good class and it's a short-term class. Long bar you have Saturday class, right?
1+2 lah.
1+2, that means one Saturday theory because you need to understand what is long bar, and 2 night is for live markets,
market,
and for ORB will be 3 night. That is basically some theory and with live market so that you can follow. Basically it's trade on the indexes, for example Nasdaq 100, Dow Jones, and or either gold, commodity. And after that, you know how to apply it, then you can do it yourself. Because the student that who is do for example ORB, just like I do the ORB, I took profit already. Just follow whatever he taught you. And there is a training plan, just now he show you the 8 step, how you do it. Yeah. That is very easy for a new student that which really don't understand much, but it's easier for you to apply. And you know what to do. You can apply all kind of markets, even in option. We also can do that. Just now I do it on the option. I also took profit already. So I do the Nasdaq 100, I took profit. I do an option both, I took profit. So if you are interested, do let Thomas know.
By the way, Angie is the most experienced trader. She attended Thomas' class and my class. Okay, that's why she can talk with authority. Learn ORB, open range bar, okay, long bar, okay. These are strategy that over here I find is very suitable for retail traders.
Yeah, retail
Okay,
trader.
you don't have much time to learn, but just learn the essential.
Yes.
Be able to trade a market well. Okay,
And you can just apply it.
I talk a lot about LA Wave, Gartley. These are for very advanced professional traders. Okay, who trade for hedge funds, who trade for institutions. Okay, I don't mind telling you that these are the people that. So you want to learn about Gartley? I say your level. I say no. Okay, but if you are working for Goldman Sachs or JP Morgan or Citibank, I say okay.
Right. Even
because there's no point for me to teach you waves where you're not going to apply it, okay?
Yeah,
okay,
even I learn Gartley also don't apply.
So what I'm trying to tell you is I teach those things that you all can easily pick it up and learn the skill, most important.
It's practical, very practical.
Yeah. For example, ORB. For me, I trade ORB
every day.
15 minutes, I'm out already.
Yeah.
Where I trade ORB with 2-minute time frame. Yeah. Okay? That's it. So I teach ORB for most people using 15 minutes, 1.5. Okay? 1.5 and 5.
Yeah.
So they are out within 1 hour, okay?
I read out already.
Yeah. So what I'm trying to tell you is these are very practical things that you can learn, acquire the skill, okay? And really add, additional stream of income for you guys.
Yeah.
But you got to put in the work, you got to be disciplined, you got to follow the rules. That's it. Okay? Yeah.
And the rule is very easy to follow.
Okay. Okay, this open discussion. Anything that before you hit the road, I know I'm overrun. Okay, I apologize for taking too long. Okay, but if you really have a question, we are more than willing to answer your question. Okay?
You can make appointment to come here, talk to Thomas.
Okay. So if there are no more questions, I want to thank you for your time, your patience, okay? And most importantly is you take back something that was relevant to you. Okay? Right. If not, have a safe journey home. I'll see you guys around. Good night. Okay?